Pydantic AI's structured output mechanism enables an agent to return data conforming to a predefined schema rather than free-form text. And the StructuredDict helper provides a direct path to that end by wrapping a raw JSON schema alongside optional metadata. This artifact demonstrates declaring a human dict with required name and age fields, then binding it as the output type of an agent instantiated with the OpenAI GPT-5.2 model so that a single synchronous run call yields a validated dictionary. The agent is constructed with output type equals human dict, and running it with the prompt, create a person, triggers the model to produce an object matching that schema, which the framework returns as a plain dict without further transformation.
From Pydantic AI import agent, StructuredDict. Human dict equals StructuredDict. Type, object. Properties. Name, type, string. Age, type, integer. Required, name, age. Name equals human. Description equals a human with a name and age. Agent equals agent OpenAI. GPT-5.2. Output type equals human dict. Result equals agent. Run sync create a person. Name, John Doe, age, 30.
StructuredDict lets you define a JSON schema directly as the output type for an agent, bypassing Pydantic models when you need dynamic or external schemas. Here the schema defines required fields name and age, and the model returns a dict matching that shape. The output type gets passed to agent constructor, which registers it as a tool call schema for the model. This trades type safety for flexibility, since the return is dictstr, any rather than a validated model. You handle validation yourself or use output validators to retry on bad data. Good when schemas come from external sources or you can't define a Pydantic model for the shape. Let's break it down line by line.
From Pydantic AI import agent, StructuredDict.
Imports agent for building AI agents and StructuredDict for validated structured output dictionaries from the Pydantic AI framework.
Human dict equals StructuredDict.
Assigns a StructuredDict instance to the variable human dict.
Type, object.
Defines a key-value pair where the key type maps to the string object, typically as part of a JSON schema describing a structured data type.
Name, type, string.
Defines a schema field named name constrained to string type within a larger schema dictionary.
Age, type, integer.
Defines a field schema where age must be an integer type, constraining valid values for that key in the structure.
Required, name, age.
Specifies that name and age are required fields in a schema definition.
Name equals human.
Assigns the string human to a name parameter, identifying a participant or role.
Description equals a human with a name and age.
Sets a description string describing a human entity with name and age attributes.
Agent equals agent OpenAI. GPT-5.2. Output type equals human dict.
Creates an agent configured to use the GPT-5.2 model with human dict as its structured output type.
Result equals agent. Run sync create a person.
Calls the agent's synchronous run method with the prompt, create a person, and stores the returned run result in result. StructuredDict gives you a way to hand a raw JSON schema to an agent as its output type, skipping Pydantic models entirely when you need that flexibility. You define the schema, mark fields as required, slap on a name and description for the model's benefit, and pass it to the agent constructor. Then a single run-sync call turns your prompt into a dict that matches that shape. The trade-off is real. You get dynamic schemas from external sources, but lose the type safety of a validated model, ending up with dictstr, any, that you validate yourself or retry through output validators.
The structured dict births a human with name and age from a prompt that knows nothing.